Part D of this question reads, ABC company intends to undertake an information systems project. Outline 3 challenges that the company is likely to face. Challenges the company is most likely to face. Challenges the company is most likely to face while undertaking an information systems project. The first challenge is technical challenges. Technical challenges. The company may encounter technical challenges related to system design, related to system implementation, and also system integration. And that may include issues to do with compatibility, issues to do with data migration, software development, hardware infrastructure, and also network connectivity. And overcoming such challenges requires expertise in system architecture, software development, and also technical project management. So that's the first challenge, technical challenge. Then there is change management. Change management challenges. Implementing a new information system often requires changes to existing business processes and employee workflows. So resistance to change, lack of user acceptance, and difficulty in adapting to new systems can pose challenges for this company. And effective change management strategies, including communication, training, stakeholder engagement, are necessary to address such challenges and ensure successful adoption of the new system. 3, cost and resource. Cost and resource. Challenges. Cost and resource challenges. Candidates, information systems or the projects related to information systems can be resource intensive and costly. And this company, the ABC company, may face challenges related to budget constraints, resource allocation, and the availability of skilled personnel. So those are 3 challenges the company is most likely to face while undertaking an information systems project: technical challenges, change management challenges, cost and resource challenges. These are 3 challenges, 3 marks.